Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're here doing a what do you call them?
Screwdriver. Monday night screwdrivers.
I did tell you yesterday that this big old bear here he flaked on me, so he's here today.
I was hibernating.
Well, I did tell you that he was probably recuperating from the day before that we went to sleep at 4 o'clock in the morning. But anyways, he's here today to do a drink. We're gonna do one, and
we're gonna broke out the absolute.
We're gonna do another one when when Big Hearn comes back.
When my woman comes here, we're gonna do this new drink. What did I tell you it's called?
Surfer on acid?
Yeah. Made with Jaeger, Malibu rum, and pineapple juice. We're gonna do that when they get here. Got some Erykah Badu playing in the background.
Do some shout outs. You want to start off? We'll do that out.
Or however go.
Okay, well, Big Ross, 666. Mahoney, 2131. Raiders 99, Abel. Who else are we out there?
Dinosaur
219.
Peterman 956 from Texas, I think.
Yeah. That one.
Big Glock.
Oh, Big Glock. You gotta check him out. He's got a nice, good video. He always does some comments on mine, so I'm throwing him a shout out. That one guy, 209. Getting our own little drink community going on, so let's see what's up. Let's get some more friends.
Oh, there's a Ronald 14 something. He'll be coming to the scene, and then I got some other fellas that been seeing me out here saying like, fuck, I'm gonna try that shit.
So, you know, let's have some fun. To the drinking community. There's another one. It's Anthony, which is my nephew. He's barely getting a page up and going right now. Anthony SJCU, I believe it is. I'm trying to get him up, and he has one going on right now. He has one video.
Drinking?
No, but I'm trying to get him up. He was checking out our YouTube pictures or YouTube things, and so he's pretty much digging it. So hopefully we get another one going on. Hopefully in summertime, or as soon as we know it's gonna be nice and beautiful. Head to the lake.
Other places, the lake, my work, we drink there. It's my house, outside my back, but we'll shoot everywhere.
Yeah.
Just gotta give it a minute. It's still kind of shitty here.
You know, maybe just driving down the street, turn on the camera. Big Ross had threw a kind of a comment on me the other day. YouTube pads. Let's see what you got. I tried to throw one out there on mini bars. I didn't catch really nothing on it, but let's see. Done?
Yeah, alrighty. We'll be back in a minute.